Here's how you can set up our RPCS3 emulator for PlayStation 3 on any Windows computer. Just make sure that computer has a good CPU to handle PS3 emulation. Here is a CPU tier list for reference. Okay, for the first step, on your web browser go to rpcs3.net. Click on Download 64-bit for Windows. Select the folder where you are going to save the zip file. While the RPCS3 file is downloading, go to google.com and search for PS3 BIOS. Select the PlayStation.com website and scroll down to How to reinstall PS3 system software, reinstall using a computer. Click on Download PS3 Update. Select the download folder and save the file. Once that's done, go to the folder where you downloaded both files. Right-click on RPCS3 zip file and extract the zip file to your folder. Open the folder and launch RPCS3 application file inside the folder. Select I have read the Quick Start Guide and select Continue. On the RPCS3 application, click on File. Scroll down to the option Install Firmware. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded the PS3 BIOS update file and open it. Wait for the installation to finalize. Once that finishes, let's download a game to run in our newly installed emulator. On your web browser, go to your favorite site to download ROMs. I usually download my ROMs from romsfun.com. Search the PS3 game you want to download to run on the RPCS3 emulator. In this case I am downloading Midnight Club Los Angeles Complete Edition for PS3. Follow the instructions on screen to download the game. Wait for the download to finish. It should only be a few minutes depending on your internet service. On your computer, create a new folder where you want to store your PS3 ROMs and rename it to your liking. Extract the game from the zip file onto your newly created folder for your PS3 ROMs. Depending on where you get your ROMs, the file might be in a .iso file or fully extracted. In my case the file is an ISO file. Mount the ISO file and extract all the games files in the same folder as the ISO file. Once that is finished, unmount and delete the ISO file to save storage. Also delete the zip file where you extracted the ISO file. Okay, once that's done, let's open the RPCS3 application again and select on the File option on the top left corner of the app. Scroll down to the option Add Games. Navigate to the folder where your PS3 ROM is located and select the folder. And you are done. You now have successfully installed RPCS3 and preserved an old game. Right-click on the game and scroll down to Manage Game Patches. Click Yes and open the Patches menu. Select the patches you will like to use. In my case I will be using Disable Motion Blur and Enable Delta Time to increase the FPS from its default of 30 frames per second. Once that's done, close the menu and right-click on the game again. Click on Create Custom Configuration. Follow the settings applied on the video. For the resolution, select the same resolution upscaled as your monitor but leave the original at 720p. Okay, now it's time to launch the game using your custom configuration. Wait for the shaders to finish and the game will start. And that's all there is to it. To download other games, just follow the same steps as you did previously. Installing applications and software in your computer is a very simple process. Thank you for watching the video and check out the other videos on my channel. Peace out.
Oh, they say.
What?
Man, don't tell everyone.
Trust me, man, I won't.
Man, you're funny. You're like Tony. You're one of them funny East Coast guys, huh?